I know this is strange. It's a very strange thing to say, but how the economy is currently looking. If you want to survive, get married.
Yay,
Both of us are
yay.
bringing money at home.
Who
Yo,
benefits from that system?
Who benefits from that
From
system?
both of you working.
From both of us working.
Yeah,
Both of us. The entire household.
who benefits?
The entire household.
Okay, I have a different view on that.
It's
but
it's
yeah.
it's for in my
yo.
in unfortunately in my view, like ngizongenzela example,
The
ne?
system that built that
Yes, it
Move-
does. No, the system, because really the entire intention of the system is to keep us as consumers, right? So the system itself benefits. However, if we're looking at it at a relationship level, ukuthi indoda nomfazi, if so too indoda nomfazi siyasebenza, no man, the quality of life esiphila kuyo changes.
Can
Because
I,
if ukusebenza indoda, exactly, if ukusebenza indoda, i-one, ne? Probably sizorenta e-Davidson. But if usebenza siyi-two, we can afford some place in Sandton, depending on obviously the level of income that comes in endlini. Do you understand?